Meet the Fitbit Ace 2, a fun and durable activity tracker designed just for kids. With all-day movement tracking, sleep monitoring, and a splash-proof design, it makes staying active feel like a game every day. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Fitbit Ace 2 activity tracker, charging cable, and user manual. How to pair. To set up the Fitbit Ace 2, open the Fitbit app and create a family account. Then add a child profile and agree to the privacy settings. Next, choose Pair with Device and connect the tracker via Bluetooth while it is charging. Enter the code shown on the device and wait for the update to finish. Once done, set your goals and preferences in the app, then fit the band on the wrist of your Fitbit Ace 2 is ready to use. How to charge. Plug the charging cable into a USB port, then attach it to the tracker by aligning the pins. Once connected, it will vibrate and show the battery level. A full charge takes about 2 hours, and when the battery icon is full, it's ready to use. Smart features? Tracks daily steps and active minutes to encourage kids to stay moving throughout the day. It turns activity into fun goals, so children can build healthier habits easily. Tracks how long kids sleep and shows patterns like time asleep, awake, and restless. It helps build healthy sleep habits by giving parents insight into their child's sleep quality. Water resistant up to 50 meters, so kids can wear it in the pool, shower, and during everyday water play without worry. It's built to handle splashes, sweat, and swimming while still tracking activity normally. Delivers long-lasting power with up to 5 days of use on a single charge, so kids can track activity without frequent charging. It's designed to keep up with daily movement from school to playtime with ease. Lets parents set up a family account to monitor activity, manage settings, and approve connections. It provides safe, supervised tracking so kids can stay active while parents stay in control. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Fitbit Ace 2 activity tracker from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Fitbit Ace 2 activity tracker. See you at the next one.